Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making Summer Tempura. As I told you in the previous video, I like to serve Somen noodles with tempura. The crunchy texture of tempura goes well with smooth and light texture of Somen noodles. What I really want to show you is corn tempura. Some of you know that Japanese sweet corn is super sweet and tasty. When it makes into tempura, it's going to be the very special dish. It's okay to make in one kind of tempura, but if there are some other summer vegetables you have on hand, let's make them into tempura. Let's get started with cutting vegetables. Wash the shiso leaves and pat dry. Cut green beans into 5 cm. Stick a toothpick through to 4 to 5 strips. Slice eggplants into 7 to 8 mm thick. Shave the corn kernels off the cob. Be generous with the shaving. Do not go too far, otherwise the hard bits will annoy you when you're eating. Now let's move on to the butter. Crack the egg and beat well. Add icy cold water to up to 1 cup. Put your cake flour into a medium-sized bowl. Whisk until there is no lumps and make a well in the center. Pour the egg water and mix just to combine. The ingredients are all set. Now let's deep fry tempura. First, the shiso leaves. I want to keep the beautiful color. Start cooking on low heat about 160 degrees Celsius. Dust with flour to stick the butter nicely. Then coat the butter thinly. Shake off the excess butter when poured into the oil. Do not touch until the butter is set, at least 2 to 3 minutes. Flip it over and cook another 1 to 2 minutes. When the bubbles around the tempura become smaller and diminishing and crunchy to the touch, it's time to take it out. Do the same to red pickled ginger. It takes about shorter cooking time than other ingredients. Last but not least, the sweet corn. Dust 2 tablespoons of corn kernels with flour lightly, mix with butter. The butter should be the amount, just combine them. Drop into the oil, a tablespoon at a time. Let them cook for a couple of minutes until it's set. After it's set and it's not falling apart when it touches, poke the center with the chopsticks. By doing this, the oil going through the tempura and makes it crispy. Flip it over and cook another a minute or so. Crunchy to the touch, take them out. Deep fry the leftover tempura. This makes tenkasu we used in okonomiyaki video. It can freeze well, so keep it for any occasion to use. You can enjoy the tempura with a hint of salt or serve with somen noodles as I do. Dip into mentsuyu and it makes wonderful flavor to tempura. The savory umami of mentsuyu enhances the sweetness of corn. The texture is almost like a snack. Tastes so good. It's in the market only in the limited of time, around end of the June to August. If you happen to be in Japan in summer, just give it a try. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. For the little recipe and more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com and the link is in the description box below. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!